हेलो दोस्तों, हरीश शेट्टी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर का नमस्कार। आइए आसानी से समझने की कोशिश करो। आज का हमारा टॉपिक होगा ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट। जी हाँ दोस्तों, ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, इसका मतलब क्या है? ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इज दैट लेवल ऑफ एक्टिविटी where there is neither profit nor loss. I'll repeat again. Break even point is that level of activity where there is neither profit nor loss. If your sale is equal to the break even point, आपका कोई प्रॉफिट भी नहीं होगा और लॉस भी नहीं होगा। If your sale is above the break even point, you start making profit. If your sale is below the break even point, you make losses. Exactly break even point होगा, no profit no loss का स्टेज होगा। ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट का ऊपर का सेल होगा तो प्रॉफिट होगा, ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट का नीचे का सेल होगा तो लॉस होगा। With the help of example, let us try to understand this. Let us say the selling price per unit is rupees 10 only. जी हाँ दोस्तों, selling price per unit is rupees 10 and the variable cost is rupees 6 per unit. In this example, selling price per unit is rupees 10 and variable cost is rupees 6 per unit. इसका एक डेफिनेशन है, sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. I'll repeat again, sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. In this example, sales is 10 rupees, variable cost is 6 rupees. So sales 10 minus variable cost 6 is equal to contribution 4 rupees per unit. In this example, contribution is rupees 4 per unit. Now the formula for break-even point is fixed cost upon contribution per unit. I'll repeat again, the formula for break-even point is fixed cost upon contribution per unit. If I take an example, fixed cost is rupees 400 only, selling price rupees 10 per unit, variable cost rupees 6 per unit. As per that, my contribution was sales minus variable cost 10 minus 6 is equal to rupees 4 per unit. Now break-even point is fixed cost upon contribution per unit. If I assume fixed cost is rupees 400 only, so fixed cost is 400 upon contribution per unit is rupees 4. So 400 divided by 4 is equal to 100. So in this example, my break-even point is fixed cost 400 upon contribution is rupees 4 per unit. 400 divided by 4 is, so break-even point is 100 units only. So in this example, if I sell exactly 100 units, no profit, no loss. If my sale is above 100 units, I make a profit. If my sale is below 100 units, I make a loss. This is the concept of break-even point. Friends, I hope you have understood this concept of break-even point. अगर आपको ये चैनल पसंद आया होगा तो प्लीज लाइक द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। जी हाँ, घंटी बजाना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू।